Hey guys, so trying something a little new here. Put my own face down in the corner so you could see me while I was teaching. Thought it might be kind of neat to do. So this week we're jumping back into double digit multiplication and we're going to review it for a little while until everybody feels really fluent and comfortable with it. So let's dig right in. We have this problem here, 26 times 72. And remember the grid that we used in school? The reason I have a 2 by 2 grid is because I have two two-digit numbers. So the first thing that I need to do, if I can reach my little clicker, since I have you guys a little lower than I thought, is to write it out based on place value. So 26. I have 20 in my tens. I have 20 in my tens and 6 in my ones. So I break it apart, 26. Over here I've got 70 in my tens and 2 in my ones. So again, I broke that apart. Most of you are probably looking at this right now going, oh yeah, I remember this. Then we do the multiplication based on what numbers meet in which box. In this box, the 20 and the 70 meet. So we have 7 times 2 is 14. Go back and count those zeros. I have 2 zeros. That gives me 1400 for the first box. Next box, this one here. What meets there? Well, the 70 and the 6 meet in that box. Again, I just do the 6 times 7, which is 42. Go back and count the zeros. None here. 1 here. Put 1 0 in. Now I go to the next box. Who's going to meet in this box? We have 2 going this way and 20 coming down from above. 2 times 2 is 4. Count those zeros. None there. 1 here. Gives me 40. Last box I have to do. The 2 is coming across. The 6 is coming down. 2 times 6 is 12. My last step is to take these 4 numbers, lay them out. It's best to do the largest number to the smallest number so you can be watching that you're putting the numbers in the right place value slot. And then I've got 40 and I've got 12. Remember back when we were in class we talked a lot about making sure that your ones place lined up, your tens place lined up, and so forth. If you lay these numbers just anywhere you want, it's not going to come out right. So I got 0, 0, 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 1 more is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 1 plus nothing is 1. The answer to this problem then is going to be 1,872. Kind of ringing the bell there. You kind of remember what we've done. Let's do one more. But remember, if you didn't understand it, you can rewind me, pause, try it again, whatever you want to do. Here's the next problem, 51 times 94. So remember the first thing that I did was I broke this up into place value. 51, we have 51. I'm going to lay that like this. 50 in the first column, 1 in the second column. Over here I've got 90 and 4. 90 will go in my first column and 4 in my second column. Then, just like before, who meets in which column? This column here we've got 50 and 90. Just like before, you don't have to do 50 times 90. You can do the single digits, 5 times 9, which is 45. Go back and grab those zeros. There's 2 of them, and fill it in. Who's meeting here? 90 times 1. Well, that's an easy problem. 90 times 1 is 90. Who's meeting here? We've got 50 times 4. Again, just do the actual digits and not the 0. 5 times 4 is 20. Go back and count the zeros. Oh, 1 extra 0. And our last box lines up. Our last box lines up with 4 times 1, which is 4. Take these 4 numbers, bring them out. Again, probably best to do largest to smallest. I got 4,500. Then I've got 200. Being careful to line up these place values. I've got 90. And last 4. I add these up. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. 5 times 2 is 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus nothing is 4. So the answer to 51 times 94 is 4,794. All right. Remember, you can rewind whatever you want to do. Make sure you understand this today before you go do the assignment. Bye.